Malakas na ulan ang hangin ang naranasan.
Mahigit 10.
The Philippines lies in the Pacific Ring of Fire and Typhoon Belt, making it prone to earthquakes.
Pasado alas 10 kagabi nagsimulang maramdaman ang bagsik ng bagyong Emo.
Study from Phoenix confirmed that Camarines Sur is nearby Coastline, which is why preparedness is vital for our school.
If a strong earthquake hits, buildings and classrooms could be damaged, putting lives in danger. Super typhoon can bring powerful winds, flooding, and power outages, disrupting learning and threatening our safety.
When disaster strikes and panic takes over, injuries and chaos can happen. But with proper training, we can stay calm and act safely. Drills teach us and the correct steps to follow. Dump, cover, and evacuate in an orderly way. Practicing today prepares us for real emergencies tomorrow. To stay safe during disasters, our school need the right tools. Fire extinguisher must be easy to reach during disasters. First aid kit should be available to treat injuries quickly. Evacuation maps guide us to the safest exit.
Go bag. A go bag should have the following: essential supplies to keep you safe, healthy, and prepared during emergencies.
Good afternoon, sir. As the head of the Disaster Risk Reduction Management, why is disaster preparedness important for our school?
So as mandated by the Republic of the Philippines, yung DRR, Disaster Risk Reduction Management, was developed and pati yung school natin mayroon. So ang school po ay mayroon ng organization about disaster. So nakakunik po tayo sa munisipyo, nakakunik po tayo sa probinsya, nakakunik po tayo sa regional, nakakunik po tayo sa national.
What advice would you give for the students in Bato National High School?
About
disasters?
Yeah, about disasters. So, ang problema lang kasi ng eskwela dito sa Bato, hindi sila aware what is the functions of PDR. Matuto tayo. Ano po? Pangalagaan natin yung kalikasan, pangalagaan natin ang tamang tapon ng basura.
Preparedness is more than just a drill. It is a teamwork, discipline, and care for one another. Remember, the habits we practice today will protect our lives tomorrow. Stay prepared, stay alert, and stay safe.